Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right at the top, we've got the screen time graph, the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. And as you can see, we've got also particular apps listed. So we can check that I've been using the screen for 53 minutes right now. So if you want to, you can enter the graph, enter more details just by tapping on the graph. And as you can see, here we've got the dashboard, we've got most used apps. Of course, we can show more. Under it, we've got also the unlocks and so on. We can check also the last 7 days if we want to. What's more, from this step, we can also tap on particular apps. So for example, the settings, and as you can see, the dashboard, the graph will be connected only with this particular app. So that's quite a cool option. So let's get back, and under it we've got the screen time management, we've got the screen time app limits and away time, which are quite cool options because if right now you know, for example, which app is most distracting for you, you can set app limits. So your device will simply remind you that you have to stop using particular app. You can schedule the time away from your device, so your device will limit the notifications from a particular apps. You can set the screen time, so the daily time which you would like to spend on the screen. You've got also the hearing protection. You can apply the pin to the digital balance, and it will be quite useful if this device will be used by your child or something like that. So actually, this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.